Okay, so we will start the last lecture. We have covered the type number one problem. Okay, which is having money value is constant. Okay, now today we have to study the whatever the problem which is having money value is variable. Okay, or money value changes with time. Okay, now for example, you might be knowing about the interest rate or whenever you have taken the any loan. Okay, from any bank. Okay, now definitely some interest is definitely will be there. Okay, म्हणजे फुकट कोण आपल्याला देणार नाही कर्ज. Okay, now till date we have studied number of problem. Okay, which is related to the money value constant. Okay, money value is constant. For example, take one example. Suppose we have taken 10 lakh loan for any machine or any industry. Okay, so whether the constant or we have taken money is constant. Okay, every year that value of money will be increases. Okay, due to the interest rate. Okay, something 1%, 2% interest rate will be there. Okay, this is a one example of whatever the money value changes with time. Okay, for example, if you take one example of GDP also. Okay, what is the value of rupees? Okay, 1 rupees. Okay, according to the international market. Okay, value of money is definitely decreasing or increasing every day or in every year. Okay, now we have to study that consideration, whatever the interest rate may be there. Okay, now for example, one discount is also there. Okay, from government subsidy is also there. Okay, suppose if you take one example, suppose a government sponsored one industry. Okay, now which scheme is there? Anyone? So Mudra loan. Okay, Mudra loan is the one of the best example. Okay, what Mudra loan will be done? So Mudra loan is nothing but the whatever the some amount. Okay, that paid by the government. Okay, now you can say that this is a subsidy. Okay, now according to that, the definitely money value will be changes with time. Okay, now that type of example we will study now. Okay, so I will share my screen. Okay, hope you have understood all the example. Okay, of part number one. Okay, today we will start the part number second example of replacement. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please definitely ask me. Okay, hmm? So I will share my same examples are there. Okay, some different formulas are there because we have to calculate the value. Okay, whatever the changing value is there. Okay, suppose म्हणजे या वर्षी 1 रुपया व्हॅल्यू असेल तर तीच व्हॅल्यू पुढच्या वर्षी 1 रुपयाची व्हॅल्यू राहणार कमी होणार किंवा जास्त होणार. Why? Because of some interest rates be there, some subsidy will be there. Okay, now according to that we will study all these things. Okay, so I will share my screen. My screen is visible. Please unmute yourself. Okay, I am not seeing whatever the screen. Okay, have you? Hello, anyone? This screen is visible or not? Case number 2 or model number 2. Replacement of item whose maintenance cost increases with time. Okay, maintenance cost
Visible, sir. Sir, visible.
increases. Okay, thank you. Replacement of item whose maintenance cost increases. Okay, now that type of problem we already studied. Okay, and the value of money also changes with time. Okay, now this type of problem we have to study. Okay, now one simple formula is there. Okay, now how to calculate the value of money? Okay, for example, the value of money is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus I raised to n. Okay, what is I? I is nothing but the interest rate. Okay, whatever the interest rate will be given in problem. Okay, for the calculation of money value. Okay, now here we are focusing on the value of money changes with time. Okay, now very simple formula is there. Value of money is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus I raised to n. N is nothing but number of year. Okay, n minus 1 we will take always. Okay, n minus 1. 1 plus I is nothing but the interest rate. Okay, or value of money. Huh? So let's start with problem. Okay, so what is the problem? Very simple statement is also there. Okay, I will check. Direct to body movement. So we will take one example today only. So see the statement. A company buy a machine for Rs 6,000. Okay, one company have buy a machine for 6,000. The maintenance cost of expected to be Rs 300. Okay, in each year for the first 2 years and go up to annually as follows: such 1,000, 1,500 to 2,000. Okay, or 200, 2,500. Okay, they have given the maintenance cost. Okay, first of all, RS 300 for first 2 years. Okay, now what will be the column? First column. Okay, maintenance cost will be 300, 300, 700, 1,000, 1.5 thousand, 2,000, 2.5 thousand. Okay, and this that will be first column. Okay, assume the money is worth of 20% per year. Okay, that condition is given. According to that, we can find out the this problem is the type second problem because the interest rate they have given. Okay, 20% per year. Assume the money is worth of 20% per year when the machine should be replaced. Okay, same problem is there. Okay, only interest rate. Suppose, for example, any subsidy will be given. Okay, suppose any uh, money value they will also give. Okay, whatever the in terms of rupees also. Okay, according to that, we can find out the which type of problem. Okay, so start the solution. Have you understood the statement? Okay, so we will read one statement once again. Okay, so a company buy a machine of 6,000. Okay, what is the capital cost of machine? Okay, 6,000. C is equal to 6,000. Okay, the maintenance costs are expected to be RS 300 in 2 years. Okay, what is that column? Okay, is given. Assume the money worth is 20%. Okay, so let's write the given data. C is equal to 6,000. I is equal to interest is equal to 20%. Okay, whatever the value of I. Okay, suppose if you see in an example, whatever the value of money, V is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus I raised to n minus 1. Okay, we will see that. Hmm? So assume, so assumption, what the assumption is there? Okay, what one thing is missing in this statement? Okay, which thing? Anyone in this problem? One thing is remaining or missing. Okay, huh. Anyone can give answer. One thing is not given in problem. Okay, which thing are you able to find out? They have given machine price also. Okay, but they have not given whatever the scrap value. Okay, scrap value they have not given. Okay, keep in mind whenever scrap value will be not given. Okay, take scrap value as 0. दिलीच नाही तर ते काय स्क्रॅप व्हॅल्यू आपण कन्सिडर करायला. Okay, that will be definitely 0 value. Okay, so this is the given data. Okay, assumption is this to solve the problem. Assume that the maintenance cost is paid on machine at the beginning of each year as one. Okay, whatever the maintenance cost they have given. Okay, so write the problem. Sorry, table. Okay, now first table is year, number of year. Okay, whatever the year they have given, in each year they have given statement. Okay, each year for first 2 years 300. Okay, so write that first 2 year 300, next 700, 100, दिले 1500, 2000, 2500. Okay, these are the value are given. Okay, now what is the difference? Okay, they have given interest rate. Okay, or they have given percentage of the worth. Okay, now so write down third column present value of 1 rupees. Okay, why present value of, suppose whenever we have purchased that machine, that time the value of money is 1 rupees. Okay, but whether the in next year same value will be there. Okay, बघा म्हणजे गेल्या वर्षी आपलं रुपीची प्राइस काय होती ॲज कम्पेअर टू अमेरिकन डॉलर. ओके, 60 रुपीज. ओके, या वर्षी किती आहे 70 रुपये. ओके, दॅट व्हॅल्यू मे चेंज. ओके, एव्हरी डे. ओके, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू द इयरली वी कॅन चेंज और वॉट एव्हर द इंटरेस्ट रेट विल बी देयर. ओके, सपोज काय करतो आपण, समजा बँकेकडून कर्ज घेतो. ओके, एक 10 लाखाचं, तर 10 लाख आपल्याला फेडायचे बँकेचे. तर ते 10 लाख 10 वर्षामध्ये फेडायचे. तुम्ही किती बनवा वर्षाला 1 लाख भरून चालेल का? नाही ना. ओके, 10 वर्षाची 1 लाखाने भरले तर 10 लाख होतं, बरोबर आहे. बट वॉट एव्हर द इंटरेस्ट रेट, काहीतरी व्याज आहे ना, तुम्हाला 1 लाख प्लस इंटरेस्ट हे तुम्हाला भरावं लागणार आहे. डेफिनेटली व्हॅल्यू ऑफ युअर मनी विल बी डिक्रीज. ओके, as like this, we have find out the whatever the value of money. Okay, whatever the value of 1 rupees in next year. Okay, now how we can find out? Okay, whatever the formula v is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus I. Okay, what is I value? 20%. Okay, 20% is nothing but the 0.2. Okay, 20 divided by 100. Sorry, 20 for calculation of percentage. Okay, 20% is nothing but 0.2 value. Okay, so write down v is equal to, first of all we will calculate v is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus I value is zero point 0.2. Okay, is nothing but 1 plus 0.2. Okay, so 1 plus 1.2 will be there. Okay, raised to n. Okay, n minus 1 we will take always. Okay, by mistake in here, but n is not minus 1, sign is not there. Okay, whenever we will move in book, okay, book they have given n minus 1. Okay, so what is the first value? Okay, you have to calculate. Okay, because online I will not show whatever the calculation. Okay, very simple calculation. Okay, addition subtraction calculation. Okay, whatever the 1.2 raised to 1. Okay, 1.2 raised to 1, whatever the value will be there. Okay, what will be the value? Okay, suppose these values are there. Okay, suppose 1 divided by 1.2 raised to n minus 1. What is n? N, suppose first year. Okay, n is 1. N minus 1 is nothing but 0. Okay, raised to 0. Okay, definitely value will become 1. Okay, now what is the next value? V is equal to 1 divided by 1.2 raised to n minus 1. 2 minus 1 raised to 1. Okay, that value will be 0.8. Okay, now in third year. Okay, 1 divided by, in third year. Okay, we will see here. Okay, 1, this is third year. Okay, so I will show this value. Okay, so what is the formula for calculation of v, value of money? V is equal to 1 divided by 1.2 raised to n minus 1. Okay, 3 minus 1, 2. Okay, 1.2 square, whatever the value is, equal to 0.64694. Okay, now like this, we will find out all these values. Okay, suppose what will be there? Okay, if we want to calculate last value. Okay, 7th year. Okay, so what will be the formula? Okay, so whatever the v is equal to 1 divided by 1.2 raised to n minus 1. What is the n? 7. 7 minus 1, 6. Okay, raised to 6 is equal to 0.334. Very simple formula. Okay, are you understand it? Okay, this is very simple. Yes, we will finish this problem. Huh? So we have finished the column number, third column. Okay, very simple. Okay, now present value of maintenance cost. Okay, now multiply that column number 2 and column number. Okay, why? Because the value of money is decreasing. Okay, value of money is decreasing. So that whatever the new value of maintenance, okay, they have given the standard value of maintenance. Okay, at the whenever we have purchased that machine. Okay, but money value will change. Okay, due to that the multiplication is required. Okay, so write down multiplication. 300 into 1, 300. Okay, 300 into 0.833, 249.9. Okay, this is the multiplication only. Okay, now as like all the multiplication will be there. Okay, I will give time for you for calculation. Okay, so we will take a last problem. Sorry, last row. 7th year. Okay, suppose 2,500 into present value of money 0.334. Okay, is equal to 835. Okay, what is this? This is a present value of maintenance cost. Okay, so next column is the cumulative present value. Okay, as like previous cumulative and cumulate. Okay, check all the cumulative value. Okay, I will give time for you. Okay, was this? Okay, was this? Okay, suppose whatever the 3,000. Okay, 3,000 plus 249.9. Okay, 549.0. Okay, 486.1 plus 550. Definitely 1036. Okay, so check all these value. Check all these value. Okay, check the values. Okay, this is nothing only cumulative values. Okay, so we will. Yeah, I will check if anyone is waiting. No one is waiting. Okay, only next one. Okay, so so I think 5 number column we have completed. Okay, cumulative present value of maintenance cost. Okay, so what is next value? Total cost. Okay, what is total cost? We know total cost is equal to whatever the machine value plus maintenance value plus minus scrap value. Okay, but here the scrap value is not given. Okay, so consider AC 0. Okay, so what will be the answer? Total cost C plus maintenance. Okay, C value किती आपल्याला in given problem 6,000. Okay, so add this 6,000 in cumulative. Okay, cumulative present value of maintenance. Why? Because we are solving the second stage problem. Okay, म्हणजे आपण हे व्हॅल्यू घेणार ना मेंटेनन्सची इनिशियल व्हॅल्यू घेणार ना. वाय? because the money value we have to multiply. ही मल्टिप्लाय करून सेकंड कॉलम मल्टिप्लाय करून आपण काय केलंय मेंटेनन्स प्रेझेंट मेंटेनन्स व्हॅल्यू काढली त्याची क्युम्युलेटिव्ह घेतल्या. ओके, that value is required for the total cost because we are solving the problem based on the value changes with money. Okay, so very simple. Okay, only addition. Okay, so what will be the answer? Okay, 3,000 plus machine price 6,000. Okay, 6,300. Okay, 549 point plus 6,000. Okay, 6,000 plus 1,036. Okay, 7,036. Definitely very simple addition. Okay, ह्याच्यामध्ये 6,000 मिळवायचं फक्त. Okay, प्रत्येक व्हॅल्यू मध्ये. Okay, that will be the answer. Okay, this is nothing but the total cost. Okay, now second last column is the third last column is the total cost. Okay, now here cumulative present value of rupees. Okay, if you see here. Okay, हा column इथे घेतला चालला असता लगेच आपण. Okay, whatever there is no matter to sequence. Okay, whichever column we can start. Okay, now present value of rupees. Okay, now whatever the cumulative present value. Okay, is cumulative present value is required for the final calculation. Okay, for that purpose we have taken the cumulated present value. Okay, cumulative present value. Okay, if you see here this column. Okay, cumulative present value of 1 rupees. Okay, so only addition is there. Okay, suppose we will take 1. Okay, 1 plus next value. Okay, 0.833. Okay, addition करायचं ह्याची cumulation करायचं बघा. Directly we will see here. Okay, so 1.833 plus 0.694 is equal to 2.527 plus 0.578 is equal to 3.105 plus 0.482 is equal to 3.587. Okay, and this is nothing but only cumulative value of present rupees. Okay, now what is the last column? The last column is nothing but the weighted average cost. Okay, weighted average cost. Okay, so what will be there? See all these things. Okay, I will see. I will show book also. Problem not given there. I will show that. Okay, so last column is nothing but the cumulative cost. Okay, whatever the cumulative total cost we have found out. Okay, where is the cumulative total cost? This is nothing but the cumulative total cost. Okay, divided by cumulative present value. Okay, this is nothing but the dividation of this last two column. Okay, dividation of last two column. Okay, what is this? Total cost divided by cumulative present value of rupees. Okay, cumulative present value of rupees. Okay, now we will get the weighted average. Okay, whatever I will show, whatever the column number. Okay, suppose year number 1, maintenance 2, present value 3, present value maintenance 4, cumulative present value, maintenance cost 5, okay, total cost 6, okay, and cumulative present value is 7, okay. So what will be the answer? Column number 6 divided by 7, okay, column number 6 divided by 7, total cost divided by the cumulative present value, okay, whatever the rupees value, okay. So write down, calculate all these value, okay, directly division, okay, last two column division, okay. 6300 divided by 1, 6300, okay, 600, sorry, 6549.9 divided by 1.833 is equal to 3573.30, okay, as like calculate all these values, okay. Calculate all these, very simple is there, okay. So try to solve this, okay. So I will give time for you also, okay. So only today we will take one example, okay. Same problem and same example we will take in next lecture, okay. So we will finish all these things is very clearly, okay. कधी सिलेबस संपायच्या वेळेस संपू दे, आपण गडबड करणार नाही, okay. Only single problem, due to that confusion will be not there, okay. Same problem is there, okay. So I think I will give as assignment also, okay. Whenever if you will able to try, okay, after the study, okay, definitely you can solve that problem, okay. I will give as assignment and tomorrow we will solve that problem also, okay. So what is the last procedure? Only division of column number 6 divided by column number 7, okay. हे पहिले बघा, last column we will say, okay, 9974 divided by 4.32, okay, that value will be 2307.72, okay. Now our answer is ready, okay. Now what is the answer? When machine should be replaced, okay. So see here, okay, whatever the minimum value, okay, average weighted value, okay, 2291.60, okay, which year? Okay, so 6th year, okay. So machine should be replaced at, what is the answer? Machine should be replaced at the end of 6th year, okay. Is it right? Why? Because after 6th year, whatever the weighted cost is increasing, okay, minimum value could be 2291, okay. So definitely machine will be replaced by at the end of 6th year, okay. So we will write this sentence in terms of theoretical problem, okay. So the machine should be replaced at the end of 6th year or at the beginning of 7th year, okay, because the maintenance cost in the 7th year is more than average cost of the machine, okay, definitely, okay. ठीक 2500 जवळ, okay, 2300 कमी काही दिले, ठीक आहे, okay. So our problem is over, okay. What is the difference? Anyone want to tell what is difference in last as compared to last problem? Anyone want to give suggestion or अरे बाप, अरे किती कोण आता पंकजराव, लवकर आला पंकज. एवढे लोक 1 2 3 4 5 मला धरून आहेत, ठीक आहे, ओके. What is the difference in last problem? Have you understood? Swami Samartha. Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference in last problem and today's problem? समजलं नसेल तर लगेच विचारा बघा, आपण मी अजून सांगतो काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही, पण मला समजलं पाहिजे की तुम्हाला समजते का नाही, काय मी जायचो असंच पुढे, तुम्ही शेअर द्या मागे मला. ठीक आहे, we will take a revision, okay. We will stop also after completion of this one, okay. What we have studied, okay, only the maintenance, interest is given, okay. Whatever the money value is changing, okay. Whenever they will give the percentage of any value, okay. Suppose they might give the whatever the worth of 20%, whatever the interest rate of 20% or 10% or 25%, okay, whatever be there, okay. Suppose they have given the discount also, okay. In terms of discount also they will give, okay, discount of 5%. Okay, what is 5% value? 0.05. Okay, 10% is nothing but 0.01. 20% is nothing but 0.02. Okay, 20 divided by 100. काय करतो आपण जरा 100 divided by 20 into 100. का चुकीचं आहे ते? काय होतं पर्सेंटेज? हाऊ टू कॅल्क्युलेट द पर्सेंटेज? 20 divided by 100. That will be our answer. So read the statement. Company buy machine value of 6,000. Okay, they have not given any scrap value, so we can take a scrap value as 0. Okay, whatever the maintenance cost they have given. Okay, so we have written that maintenance cost in table number 1. Sorry, column number 1. 2 number. Okay, column number 1 is number of year. Okay, now next is the present value of rupees 1. Okay, so what is the formula for calculation of present value? P is equal to, okay, wait, I will show that formula. No, I think this is very simple formula. Okay, so I think there is no need not to give calculation. Wait, Okay, suppose see here, I will show that value also. So suppose here how to calculate the V value. Okay, suppose V is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus I. Okay, what is the I value here? 0.2. Okay, what is 1 plus 1? 0.2. 1.2. Okay, I will show. Wait, I will take it and I will do direct calculation. So how to calculate that value? Okay, I will show that. दिसते here. What is calculation? How to calculate V? Okay, V is equal to 1 divided by, in bracket, 1 plus I value. Okay, I is nothing but interest rate raised to n minus 1. Okay, so suppose we want to calculate V1 value, okay, or V1 value in column number 1. Okay, what they have given? 1 divided by 1 plus I. Okay, what is I is equal to? I is equal to 20%. Okay, is 20% is equal to 0.2. Okay, 20% is equal to 0.2. How it is calculation? Okay, 20 divided by 100. Okay, shunya is equal to 0.2. Okay, this is nothing but the I value, interest value. Okay, so what is interest value? 0.2. Okay, 1 plus 0.2 is nothing but 1.2. Okay, raised to n minus 1. Okay, raised to n minus 1. Okay, so V1 is equal to 1 upon 1.2 raised to n minus 1. What is the n value here? 1. Okay, 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, raised to 0. Okay, that will be value 1. Okay, the value will be 1. Okay, so because this is nothing but the starting year. Okay, so starting year will not be reduce the value. Okay, म्हणजे आज जर व्हॅल्यू आपण घेतली असेल तर 1 रुपयाची व्हॅल्यू जर 100 रुपये असेल तर तीच राहणार आज या वर्षीची काय बदलणार नाही. Okay, for the initial stage. Okay, so what is the value? Second, B2 is equal to, okay, 1 divided by 1.2 raised to minus 1. Okay, what is done? 2 minus 1. Okay, raised to 1 is nothing but whatever the value. Okay, and where that value? Okay, now according to that we can find out all these values. Okay, so I will also, okay, we will move that. Okay, so according to that the value is, okay, 0.833, 0.694, okay, 0.578, 0.482, okay, 0.401. Okay, that will be the value of rupees. Okay, present value of rupees. Now what is next value? Present value of maintenance cost. Okay, only multiplication of the maintenance value. Okay, maintenance la multiplication करा. Okay, maintenance present value of maintenance because maintenance value त्यांनी दिलेली आहे सुरुवातीला. काय सांगितलं असतं बघा. फॉर एक्झाम्पल आपण जर एखादी व्हेकल विकत घेतली तर ते कंपनीवाला सांगतोय बरोबर 4 महिन्यात तुम्ही सर्व्हिसिंग केली पाहिजे. ओके, व्हॉट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ दॅट सर्व्हिसिंग? सपोज 1000. ओके, म्हणजे वर्षामध्ये 4 सर्व्हिसिंग 4000 तुमची प्राइस असणार आहे. तर तुम्ही 10 वर्ष गाडी चालवा, 20 वर्ष चालवा. ओके, बट व्हॉट एव्हर द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ मनी विल बी चेंजेस. ओके, म्हणजे 10 वर्ष आपल्याला माहित नाही किंमत पैशाची किती असणार किंवा इंटरेस्ट रेट किती असणार आहे. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू दॅट वी हॅव टू मल्टिप्लाय current value of money into that initial maintenance. Okay, so we have to find out the present maintenance value. Okay, only multiplication of present value of rupees into maintenance. Okay, so we will get this value. Okay, 300 into 1 300, 300 into 0.833 249.9. Okay, 700 into 0.694 is equal to 486.1. Okay, as like, okay, at the end. Okay, now what is next? Only cumulative value of last column. Okay, 300 ची cumulative काढून घ्या, 300 200 49. Okay, whatever the accumulation. Okay, we have written over here. Okay, so what is next column? Total cost. Okay, total cost is nothing but we know total cost is equal to whatever the machine value plus maintenance. Okay, here the scrap value is not given. Okay, so addition of that cumulative present value of maintenance plus machine value. Okay, machine value is given 6000. Okay, in initial stage. Okay, problem मध्ये दिलेला आहे. C is equal to 6000 and I is equal to 20%. Okay, so addition of that total cost is equal to machine value plus cumulative present value of maintenance cost. Okay, ते ऍड करा 6300 6549.9. Okay, this is very simple addition. Okay, now what is the next step? Okay, we have to divide. Okay, we have to divide total cost divided by cumulative present value of rupees. म्हणजे पुन्हा अजून डिवाइड करतोय आपण मगाशी मल्टिप्लिकेशन केलं. ओके, सो आवर व्हॉट एव्हर द व्हॅल्यूज विल बिकम स्टेडी. ओके, म्हणजे आपण काय करतोय बघा पहिल्यांदा इथं हा दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट रिक्वायर्ड पार्ट. ओके, फॉर दी बट फॉर दी एक्स्ट्रा नॉलेज. म्हणजे काय केलं आपण पहिल्यांदा प्रेझेंट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ मेंटेनन्स करताना गुणाकार केला. ओके, मल्टिप्लिकेशन वी हॅव डिड. ओके, अँड हिअर द डिवायडेशन ऑफ दॅट. ओके, म्हणजे काय झालं फक्त आपण मनी व्हॅल्यू फक्त आपण चेंज करण्यासाठी मल्टिप्लिकेशन डिवाइड केलं. ओके, ड्यू टू दॅट द आवर व्हॅल्यू ऑफ ॲव्हरेज व्हॅल्यू विल बी सेम. ओके, दिस इज अनदर पार्ट. ओके, सो ओनली टोटल कॉस्ट इज देअर. ओके, सो क्युम्युलेटिव्ह प्रेझेंट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ कॉलम नंबर दिस कॉलम नंबर प्रेझेंट व्हॅल्यू. ओके, प्रेझेंट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ रुपीज 1. ओके, हे जे क्युम्युलेशन करून घ्या. ओके, काय असेल क्युम्युलेशन इज 1 प्लस 0.833 equal to काय असेल ते प्लस 0.694 is equal to whatever plus 0.578 plus whatever is equal to ते असणार आहे cumulative total present value. Okay, so directly last column weighted average column. Okay, column numbers total cost divided by cumulative present value. Okay, divide करा फक्त ह्या दोन कॉलमचे. ओके, डिवाइड केलं की हे कॉलम चॅप्टर मिळतो आपल्याला लास्ट कॉलम. ओके, weighted average cost. Okay, so all of you write down. Okay, simple stage आहे ते लिहून घ्या. Okay, so we will stop here. Okay, after completion of this program. Okay, I will take attendance also. Okay, this is very simple example. Okay, but keep in mind some trick is there. Okay, column number your total cost divided by cumulative present value. Okay, after completion of all these table. Okay, so take or find out the minimum value. Okay, now in that table मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू बघा नाही तर ह्या सगळ्या किमतीमध्ये दुसरी कुठली जर लिहिली तर प्रॉब्लेम होतात. ओके, सो दॅट यू हॅव टू वॉच ऑर वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट व्हेरी केअरफुल. ओके, विच व्हॅल्यू इज द मिनिमम. ओके, 2291 व्हॅल्यू इज मिनिमम. ओके, सो व्हॉट इज आवर लास्ट आन्सर, मेन आन्सर. ओके, मशीन शुड बी रिप्लेस ॲट द एंड ऑफ 6th year or ॲट द इनिशियल स्टेज ऑफ द 7th year. ओके, म्हणजे 6 yearचा आपण खर्च जर झाला 6व्या वर्षी मशीन बदलली पाहिजे. Okay, now this is a requirement. Okay, so hope you have understood this problem. Okay, so another problem is also there, same problem is there. Okay, so we will solve this problem tomorrow. Okay, machine cost of 10,000, the operating cost is 500. Okay, here the maintenance cost is given for the first 5 years. from the 60 assuming money worth is 10%. He continue upon what we will okay. In the numbers sort of I will this is problem number 11. Okay. So the approach to spend in year time are this point 0.9. Okay, directly they have given money value here. Okay, so we no need to take the calculation. Okay, instead of percentage they have given 0.9. Okay, व्ही च्या जागेला फक्त व्हॅल्यू टाका दिलेली. ओके, आता आपण काय करतो, आपण व्ही डायरेक्टली कॅल्क्युलेट करतो. इथे काय दिलं, व्ही दिलाय. अकॉर्डिंग टू दॅट वी कॅन फाइंड आउट दी value of interest. Okay, I is equal to 11%. Okay, that's some small tricks are there. Okay, problems are very easy. Okay, so hope you have understood that problem. Okay, after completion of second problem, or we will take directly last problem. Okay, or last article. Okay, what is that? Group replacement. Okay, so tomorrow we will within 1 or 2 lecture our chapter will be finished. Okay, this is very simple chapter. Okay, or also weightage is also high for the chapter. Okay, so I will take attendance. Huh? Attendance. Beta. Okay, so I will open the today's problem. Okay, so write the statement of today's problem. I try to solve this problem. कुठे आपण हेच करत होतो ना दुसरा. This problem. Okay, so try to solve this problem. Okay, so write down the statement. Okay, so I will take. Hmm? Mm, okay, so write down this statement. Okay, write down the statement of problem. Present number. Here I have written the attendance. So read the statement. Write the statement. Whatever. As per your convenience. I will take attendance. Okay, who are present number? Okay, I think present number 42 आहे का सचिन पंडित?
42, sir.
Okay. 42 present number. Sorry, किती 30 no. 42, 33, 58, 39. Okay,
33, sir.
39, 25, 10, 25, 33, 10, 48 डबल देऊ नका 24 अरे भरपूर आहे अटेंडन्स गेली का माझा 48 24 64 ओके हां घेतो 33 16 ठीक आहे ओके 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 ठीक आहे 11 okay so hope you have understood that problem okay so try to solve this problem okay tomorrow also we will take same problem okay or and last problem okay we will take also okay. So before attending this lecture okay so I will stop here okay so you can leave thank you very much stop that recording